Morning students, today we are going to solve a question in the topic of aggregate demand and aggregate supply in the subject of economics A levels. Here is the statement of the question. In the diagram, AD1 and AS1 are an economy's initial aggregate demand and aggregate supply. In the diagram, AD1 and AS1 are an economy's initial aggregate demand and aggregate supply curves. So here is AS1 and here is AD1. What will cause the aggregate demand curve to shift to AD2? So aggregate demand is actually shifting towards left. So aggregate demand is going to be reduced. And aggregate demand is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M, where C is the consumption, I is the investment, G is the government spending, X is the export, and M is the imports. So remember, when the central bank reduces the money supply, that is contractionary monetary policy, interest rate typically rise. Higher interest rates make the borrowing more expensive for the consumers and the firms, leading to a decrease in the consumer spending C and a decrease in the business investment I. It causes aggregate demand to shift leftward from AD1 to AD2. So, D part is the right answer, a reduction in the money supply. Thank you so much.